Hey guys, Shadow the Wolf Pup here. Well, I am going to change my name to Lycan because that's a better name. But I just got something in the mail for Shadow. Well, Shadow the other day, since this is where this came from, is what's it? God, I forgot. DreamVision Creations. I had to look on the box. So I ordered one of their skull K-9s. So let's just admire how good the packaging is. Like, I am like shaking right now. See, like I am like shaking. I've wanted one ever since I became a furry, which was like a year or two ago. Well, that was back then when I got my mask, which was that raptor mask. Remember from the last video I got Scam Pursuit, which I still love, even though it's a scam. I just love those puppy cheeks. Oh god. The box was really wet. But hey, at least it's in a box. It's not just like out in the open. Oh my gosh. I just got it. Oh my gosh. Got some bubble wrap. Oh my gosh. I don't care that there's no more. Oh my gosh. I'm being as careful as I can. Okay, it's definitely really cold. Oh my gosh. Okay. We apologize for our mistake. Please enjoy this coupon. We got 10% off. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much since I was a little bit late. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. This is gonna help so much for me to get like mesh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Huge.
It's literally.
I know. That's right.
Bro. Okay, basically all I need to do is just hinge this. Oh, I love this so much. There's a little bit, if you look on the nose up there, it's a little bit. If you look on the nose, it's just a little bit like that. I don't know if other masks are like that too, or I don't know if it's just mine. I don't know. But still, it is pretty cool. Nom, nom, nom. But I just don't know which way the hinge goes, if it goes like that or if it goes that way. I have no idea. Again, this is my first skull ever.
Things half the size of your body.
Yes, it literally is. Literally, I have like... I cannot even talk with it right now. I'd probably have to take off my glasses. I'm blind. Oh. Oh my gosh. Dun, 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 dun. But it definitely is pretty realistic. I'm pretty sure it goes this way. I saw in someone's fursuit when they did this, they got their dad's blood all over it, like on the side. It's able to eat my head. It's able to eat my head. This thing is a killing machine. I just love how this is handcrafted. So this is what it looks like from the inside. It's like a black mask. And then it has a really cool texture. It's like soft and then with the cracks, like, well, by the skull texture, I mean, like, these little things right here, which were meant. Don't worry, they're not meant, or they're not, like, defects or anything. These are what they're supposed to be like. So I ordered bone color. I got bone color, thank goodness, because I like the more realistic stuff. That's why I got a skull mask. Literally, like, it's bigger than my whole entire body. Well, almost. I'm able to breathe out of this pretty easily.
Ate your head.
This could so be like an animatronic thing, like, but this is just, oh, I got my hair stuck. Ow. Why do I have so much hair stuck in this? So, I don't know which way to hinge it.
Let Daddy look at it.
Yeah. Well, I bet I can hinge it. Too. Yay. Yeah, basically when you hinge it, then, like, whenever you, like, hold it, it won't just open. But yeah, this boy have big mouth. Holy crap, this guy have big mouth.
Now what's this?
He's dumb and thick.
Turn around. No.
Oh. Oh, that. Oh,
My some of it's
The
black
gray
and some of it's gray.
the gray, I have no idea. I think it was the stuff
Sorry.
to keep the to keep the stuff in place. I have no idea. This is just really cool. If I'd had to say myself. But
Sorry, you okay? Busted you in the mouth.
yeah, I'm okay. I just don't know how I'm supposed to like make like a head strap on here
You gotta
or something
scooch
like
back. No
that.
one can see you.
Oh.
I know you don't have a glass on, so you can't see.
But it definitely looks pretty cool. Like, if you're like want to be like a Wendigo or something like that, like for Halloween or something, I definitely recommend it because this is handcrafted and it's really well done. Like, these look like real teeth. I'm not surprised if they are. Because I do collect bones and teeth do actually look like this. It's very, very cool. My precious. My precious have that big mouth, boy. He had that big mouth. He has some extra derp. But yeah, well, I'd have to give this 100 out of 10. This is amazing. Like, oh my god. Like, I was like shaking so much and like I got this thick boy. Thick boy. So I don't know if which way the springs or hinges, whatever you want to call it, are supposed to go, whatever these are. What side, if they're supposed to go on the inside, probably not. Or on the outside. I would probably think on the outside. Yay. Yes, done. But yeah, I was in between, like, I'm just gonna leave it blank like this and then just place like black eye mesh or black mesh in the eye. But for now, it'll have to do with just like nothing, but it still is pretty cool. Look at that nose though. He do the boop, boop. I love him so. I love it so much. Bro, if this just like peeked out of your window, would you be scared? I wouldn't, because he's so cute. Well, again, I give this 100 out of 10. This is the best thing ever compared to the scam fursuit, which I still love though. So yeah, her name's gonna be Widow, and she's gonna be my best friend. Bye guys.